Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hubdoc for receipt to accounting workflow, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in hubdoc.com and hit enter. Once the Hubdoc homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on Get Started to proceed with the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. After entering the required information, click on the Sign Up button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Hubdoc. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Hubdoc website. Now, sign in using the email and password you just created. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by a dashboard. To download the Hubdoc app, navigate to the bottom of the page for app options. Select the option for your device, either Android or iOS. This will direct you to the appropriate app store. For iOS users, click View on the App Store. For Android users, click Get It on Google Play. Once in the App Store, press the download. Allow the app to download and install on your device. After installation, open the Hubdoc app from your device. Log in using your existing Hubdoc credentials. You will now see an onboarding guide within the app. Follow the prompts to set up your preferences and connect your accounts. To start uploading receipts, click the Add Document button. You can choose to take a photo or upload a file directly. For photos, ensure the receipt is clearly visible. After capturing or selecting a receipt, confirm your upload. Continue this process for all receipts you wish to add. Once uploaded, Hubdoc will automatically extract key data from each document. To integrate with your accounting software, go to the Settings menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.